what it is in this toy, what makes it move, how it works? Well, if you have, we will answer this question right now. So stay tuned. And no, we will not use a hammer. We will use a screwdriver. So let's see what is inside. It has battery. You have to use good energy. It is like your own body. You have to give it the proper fuel. So now, let's check it out.
By the way, have you seen that the horse moves helped by the spinning wheel beneath? It is an electric motor that does all the work and moves all parts by the aid of spinning wheels and levers.
Here is the speaker, and here are the LEDs, the cables, and this little thing makes everything happen. So this one moves the legs, kind of like this, and also the tail.
The Horsy is just fine. See you in the next clip to discover brand new things.
Let's have an understanding. Now what? Brother, what a way to run a railroad. Now, as I was saying... All right, let's get this picture started.